Hey guys, welcome back to Little C's Garage. In this video, we are going to try to buff out and polish this fender with a DA sander. A lot of people use DA polishers. I had this laying around the garage and I was like, you know what? I wonder, if you don't have a buffer or a polisher or a rotary or a DA or anything high tech, and you got some light scratches or something on your car that you want to get out, but you don't want to buy the machines to do it. Maybe if you have just a little rotary sander laying around, and we're going to try it out. So stay tuned and we'll see if this goes good or bad. Alright, so we got a little 5-inch DA sander. We got a medium cut light polishing pad. We're going to go across here and we're going to give her a shot. So if we don't screw this up and the wife comes out and kills me. Shake her bottle up really good. And we're just gonna do little drops on here. Put it a little heavier just because the downside to this is you can't control the speed. So there we go. I'm gonna try a little bit stronger of a pad. It's working. I'm gonna go to an orange cutting pad now that I'm not so nervous about it. It's a medium heavy cutting pad. Like I said, the downside to this is you can't control the speed, so it's a 1 speed. I don't highly recommend this, but if you got a few light scratches on your car and you don't want to go out and buy a buffer or polisher or whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's see, we got some scratches up here. Put that light on there. So we're going to try with the sander, see if we can't get those to come out. Yeah, here we go. Yes, as you see, you can use it. So if all you have is just the rotary DA sander, if it's got the sticky Velcro on it, you can buy a little pad. You can go to town. What she got into. But as you can see, I mean, you can use it. It'll work. If you don't have a high dollar, buffer, polisher, DA, you can use a little DA sander. As long as it's a DA orbiting, it'll work. Did it do the best job? No, but it polished it. It shined it up. We can get some light in there. And there's still some scratches on it. I still got some more work to do. I might have to do a little bit of sanding on this. But as you can see, I mean, if that's all you have at home and you don't want to go out and spend the money for a high dollar DA, that'll work. You can use it. It's basically does the same thing. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to see more tests on certain things, let me know. We'll try some stuff out. We got the wife's car here as a test car. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.